The index function in Excel returns the value of a cell in a specified row and column within a given range. It takes 3 arguments: the range, the row number, and the column number. This function is useful for extracting specific data from large datasets, allowing users to easily reference values dynamically, which enhances data analysis and reporting efficiency. The formula retrieves the value from the range N6Q9, specifically from the 3rd row and 4th column. It effectively returns the value located at that position within the specified range. This index formula returns a value in the 4th column of the range N6Q9. The row number is determined by the match function, which finds the relative position of Q26 in the range M6-M9. Changing product C in Q26 to product A or B will let the match function find its position in M6-M9. This position is then used by index to retrieve the value from the 4th column of N6Q9.